Today, we dive into one of the most thrilling tales from Greek mythology, the story of Hercules and the Nemean Lion. This legendary creature was not just a beast, it was a symbol of invincibility. Let's explore how Hercules faced this formidable foe. The Nemean lion roamed the hills of Nemea, terrorizing the locals with its monstrous strength and impenetrable hide. Legend says that no weapon could pierce its skin, making it a nightmare for anyone who dared to confront it. The people of Nemea lived in constant fear, praying for a hero to save them. Enter Hercules, the son of Zeus, who was tasked with 12 labors as penance for a tragic mistake. His first labor? Defeat the Nemean lion. Armed with only his bravery and determination, Hercules set off to face the beast. Upon arriving in Nemea, Hercules tracked the lion to its lair, a dark cave. As he entered, the lion charged at him with ferocity. Hercules quickly realized that his weapons were useless against its hide. In a moment of inspiration, he decided to use his strength instead of his sword. He wrestled the lion, engaging in a fierce battle. After a long struggle, Hercules managed to strangle the beast with his bare hands, showcasing his incredible power. Once defeated, he skinned the lion, using its own invulnerable hide as armor. With the Nemean lion vanquished, Hercules returned to the people of Nemea as a hero. He not only freed them from the terror of the lion, but also donned its hide as a symbol of his strength and bravery. This labor marked the beginning of his legendary status as a hero in Greek mythology. The story of Hercules and the Nemean lion teaches us about courage, ingenuity, and the power of perseverance in the face of overwhelming odds. Hercules faced a seemingly impossible task, but with determination and strength, he emerged victorious. If you enjoyed this myth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from mythology.